All right, guys. One of the things we talked about, Rachel, Susan, and I, after the meeting last night was just getting up engagement within social media. And there's some low-hanging fruit that we can do specifically as it relates to the Alumni Association page. So this is a quick guide on how to get all of our friends that went to John Carroll to like or share that page with them. So the easiest way is you just open up your Facebook, and two different ways you can go into. On the left side, you'll see pages, and then up here, you'll see liked pages. Hopefully you're following it, and then you just select the John Carroll Alumni Association. If you're not following us yet, just type up in the search bar the John Carroll School Alumni Association, hit follow, hit liked. So after that, what we want to do is we want to share this page, okay? So we can select and target certain people. So this will probably take 10-15 minutes of your time, and you just want to hit share and just say something to the effect of, hey, John Carroll alumni, if you actually, we probably want to just sell the benefits. Follow this page for the whatever latest news on JC Alumni events and activities, right? Whatever, create your own tailored message, blah, 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 blah. So right here, don't just blast it out to all your friends. If you want to have it more targeted, go down here and then select more. And you can see there's a couple different ways to do this, okay? We can do a custom, all right? These people or lists that are friends, and you can type in here John Carroll, the John Carroll School. So they're tagged. What does that mean is that along here in, let me just show you, along here in, it looks for people that are your friends, and in the about section right here, went to the John Carroll School. It'll look for this link and only show it to those people. So that's the best way to get it. So I'll hit save changes. And now another way you can do it, not everyone filled out their info and said that they have went to the John Carroll School. So this way is a little bit more labor intensive, but only take 10-15 minutes of your time. So, and going back here is that when you're sharing your page, you'll click this, more, you'll do specific friends. Now what you're going to have to do here is scroll down, and you're going to have to find everyone that went to John Carroll that you know of that is a friend of yours. Again, this is a little bit more time intensive, but just devote 10-15 minutes to it. I bet with the 10 or 12 of us just sitting down to do this, that we can reach a wide array of people. And definitely by the next meeting, I mean, we'll get up to like 1,000 people. So let's just say I scroll through this, I find everyone, and then you'll hit save changes. Hopefully it's see after you post, okay, and then you just hit post, and that will go to specific people. So if you have time, I would do both routes. I would do people who are tagged, that first route, and then go back through and share with specific people. Any questions, just respond in the email.